Can you put a lower third with the presenter's name for course? Yes, you can. Girl, I love lower thirds. Yes, yes. I've even created lower thirds. Yes, go inside of y'all memberships. I got some lower thirds for y'all. I got it all. And yes, the lower thirds are in the free membership. Y'all always be asking me, is it in the free membership? Isn't it? Yes, it is. Go inside of the free membership and you'll see the lower third. For those of you that do not know what a lower third is, I highly suggest that you use lower thirds because they make your presentations just look so much professional. A lower third is basically this. You see how this is down here, but you'll have the presenter's name. Matter of fact, I'm going to show you guys because I forgot. Danae gave us access to her. Danae gave us access to her actual course. So I'm going to show you what a lower third is. Let me bring up her course. Danae is like my business bestie. She is so cool. When I was just doing the other presentation earlier today, I'm like, I want a live course that these people can see, like behind the scenes. And I was like, can I show them a little bit of the course? Like, I didn't want to give it all away. I'm like, can I show a little bit of the course? Like some of it. Her crazy self responded back, talking about some show it all. Show it. She is so crazy. She sent this crazy gift. Somebody, oh my God, Danae is just, she is hilarious. So she said we can show it all. So, honey, when I tell you we're about to get down to the nitty gritty, y'all better start tagging people. Y'all better tell people this is where it's at. Okay, so this is a lower third. Let me show you. For those of you that are small business owners, this is one course that you guys need to be a part of. Danae is a CFO. She is all into the finances for small businesses. You want to know about the PPP. You want to know how to get this money. You want to know about stimulus. You want to know how to set up your business like S Corp and LLCs. This is the course right here that you need to take. I'm telling you, she knows her stuff. So let me play one of her little videos.
Okay. Hey, welcome back. Before we get started.
Okay, I wanted to mute that. You see how her name is right there in the corner? That's a lower third. And so it can even be a little longer. So it can say Danae Wolf, Profit Perfect, or it can say Danae Wolf, and it can have her website address underneath it. That's what's called a lower third. And all it is an overlay. I know I'm probably talking technical. You probably don't know what I'm saying, but all it is you're putting an overlay on top of eCam. So just as I'm filming now, I'll just click overlay and I'll click add my lower third. That's it. It's nothing fancy. But if you do not know how to create your lower thirds, go inside of your membership, scroll down where it says lower thirds, and it'll come up. And I do all of my stuff inside of Canva. So if you want to change your lower third and put your name, you want to put your Facebook group, you want to do a YouTube lower third, it's all inside of the membership. Go in there, and my templates are so easy. You just drag and drop pictures, you change the color, you add in your words, and that's it. I make it simple for you to start an online course. It's no reason at all that you should not have an online course or a monthly membership. Not when you're a part of my squad, it's not. Because I'm teaching you everything I know. I told you I charge $4,000 to put it together, minimum. Don't quote me on that. Don't come to me saying I build out my course and you said $4,000. I said a minimum of $4,000 I will build out your course. And I'm telling you guys, all this for free.